Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to install and sign up on Calendly. Go to the app's Play Store and type Calendly. As you can see, you will see an app called Calendly Mobile. So you need to simply click on it and you need to click on install. I have already installed it, that's why it's showing open. So I'm just going to open it. Now as you can see, my account has already been logged in. So what I will do is I will log out and I will show you how to create or sign up a new account. So I'm going to click on log out. Okay, so you will see an interface like this where when you install the app, simply click on create an account. After clicking on it, you will be redirected to the website. Okay, so now you can put your email and get started, or you can simply sign up with Google. Most people have a Google account, so you can click on sign up with Google. So we are just going to click on sign up with Google. And a number of accounts will appear here. You can choose any account, or I'm going to show you how you can do that by creating your own email. So simply click on get started. Okay, it's showing already exists. So what I will do is I will type a new email. Okay, so it is saying sign up with Google. Click on next. I'm now going to put my password here. Alright, so I've put my password. Now simply click on next. So it will tell you to verify. It will send you a number. You just need to tap yes. Okay, so simply you need to click on yes, it's me. What's the number? Okay, it was 76 maybe. Okay, it was 76. So now we are being redirected. Okay, simply click on allow. It will take some time. Now as you can see, we have successfully created an account. So now you can customize your account from here. You can choose your time zone. You can change your URL from here. You can set up it later if you want. So I'm just going to click on set up it later. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.